welcome to my channel. So I'm sure you're looking for just a quick solution to how you can fix the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus shaky camera issue or problem. So this is an iPhone 6s Plus, and this problem actually has been there for quite a long time. I want to show you how it is. So this is how the camera is. Now, once you put it on, it shakes. Okay, you cannot have it stabilized to take any photo at all. Okay, it's pretty bad. And if you would move it to video, ooh, not so good. It tends to be a bit okay at the slow motion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fix this problem in a very nice way. So in a very nice and simple way. Okay, so let's just follow how I work on this. So I'm going to use a magnet. Okay, so I've got an earpiece. Actually, this is a damaged one. I'm going to cut it open so I get a piece of magnet from it. Okay, and I'm going to use that to fix the shaky camera. So, and also I've got a sharp knife here. You better not cut yourself. You should be careful to try to break it open. So we start. Okay, so now I cut it open, and so I'm gonna go for the magnet in here. Okay, and I will try to attach it to my phone, very close to the camera, and then let's see how it works. Okay, so yeah, I cut it open, and I'm interested in this small magnet right here, so I will just take my time and remove it and then attach it to a bit close to the rear camera of the iPhone 6s Plus. Yeah, so this is what you get when you crack it open. And obviously this is the magnet. Right, so I got it here, and I'm gonna try to fix it a bit close to the rear camera to see how my camera functions afterwards. Okay, so let's get it done. Guys, it's still shaking. So I've got the magnet right here. Of course, I can furthermore crack this open to get it a bit smaller. And so I'm going to try to fix it just right behind the phone, closer to the rear camera. So even you can hear the noise the camera keeps on making. So let's see how it goes once I try to fix it. So suddenly, when I take it off, it's making some noise, but when I put it quite close, suddenly you see it stabilizes and it shows our camera gets better. Now I take it off. Ooh boy. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna split the magnet open and get it smaller, so that when I fix it, I can glue it to the back side of the camera. It's pretty much okay now. I get it stabilized when the magnet is closer. So I'm going to show you all how it's looking like now. It's just like this. So, but this is quite big, so I'm going to have to try to split it so I get it smaller. You see, once I get it closer, the sound levels decreases. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to try to, now it stopped, you see the sound levels goes. So I'm going to try to break it open and glue it to this part so that the camera works. Okay. All right, so that's it, guys. Okay, now this one away. The last step, we will now take off the magnet. This is now the smaller magnet we get, very small size, and we're going to try to fix it at the back of our phone. Okay, so a bit close to the camera. So there we go. Okay, so what we can do is to glue. Okay, we can glue it close to the camera. Now we will keep it like this just to try and see how it goes. Oh, yeah. Wow, now it's not shaking. Okay, the magnet is stick close to the camera, so now it's not shaking anymore. Okay, but when let's just take it off and see how it goes. Now you can hear the noise shaking again. Okay, but we're going to try to fix it back. As soon as we do that, it's stabilized, and yeah, we have our camera working, video, everything is now okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you can get more videos as they come in. Bye.